Hi. Do you feel exhausted, emotionally drained, or just heavy for no reason? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. Modern life is full of constant stimulation: phones, work, family, obligations. The world is spinning so fast, and it's easy to pick up energy that isn't yours, leaving you depleted, drained, and disconnected. I'm Ollie from Love Your Life, and today I'm sharing 5 signs you might be spiritually burnt out. Sign 1: feeling tired even after a good night's sleep. Sign 2: feeling disconnected from everything and everyone. Sign 3: loss of joy and motivation in life. Sign 4: feeling overwhelmed in crowds and social events. And sign 5: craving calm but not knowing where to start. In this series, I will guide you through some simple and effective practices. You will feel more calm, connected, and energized. For now, let's take a minute to acknowledge how you feel at this very moment. Close your eyes, put a hand on your chest, take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Feel a deep love and compassion for yourself, knowing things can change for you. If this resonates with you, watch the next video in this series. It's going to help you feel calm, peaceful, and centered. There's a link below in the description. I'll see you there.